Hello, this is a test of using low energy, all low energy. These USB lights is 5 volts. This lights right here go 0 lights. And right now I'm cooking. Let me see, I got the heater on. I'm cooking right now. The only wattage is being used is the pot. I'm cooking rice. Let's see if the rice. I just started cooking the rice. You see the heat beginning to rise up on the glass. And you got the 2 heaters right here. And I have this heater right here. It's not turned on yet, but it will be on. But to see how much energy will this heater use, I'm charging the one in the back. From the last test, I just tested something on it. I'm charging the power bank up to the wall. But what I want to do is this heater right here. You see the cable right here. Nobody's saying I'm playing games. The 2 heaters the ghetto heaters I got here that I made up from Comfort Zones. And I want to see how much energy will it use. This is I think this was a 400 watt heater. And it only uses like 378, 368, 350. I'm going to turn it on now and see how much energy it uses. This is how much energy it uses with the heater. And I'm using the outlet. And I'm still cooking with it. It's a hot oil heater. Uses low energy. And you can see it's only using like 300 and, I say about 310, 320, something like that. When the temperature comes up, it's going to use less heat. Now I'm going to cut these heaters on, like Comfort Zone heaters, and see how much energy it uses. This is the heater for this. I'm running 3 heaters. That's 3 heaters and cooking at the same time. And USB lights all around. This is how much energy you use. And if you want to save energy, you cut the AC side off and see how much energy you save. The ideal is to use less energy heaters. I'm cooking at the same time my rice. I'm using 2 heaters to heat the area up, and it's getting hot in here now. And I'm running USB lights. And this is all I'm using, 231 watts. And if it was like cold, real cold, I could use this heater and put an extension cord on this and put up the secondary battery, and that will stay full for a long time. And if you turn it on, this is what you get out of it. The heater right here. That's 500 watts. You want to use this all day because you kill your battery. But basically, you just want to heat up the area. Let me see something. This is warm already. Jesus Christ. That's good. Yeah, that's good. One is getting hot over here. I was only on for a few minutes. I like this heater. This is a good heater right here. It's an oil heater, and it will stay hot for a while. Let's say you want to put an extension cord in the bedroom and heat up a spot. And so you got a heater you want to heat up near your living room. You make these. You don't get these. You have to make these up from scratch. You take your guts out and redo them over again. I can't show you because I'll be legally responsible if you set the place on fire or something happens. So that's the only reason why I can't show you how to do it. I'm a poor man. I'm just showing you how a poor man can make things work during a harsh time. If you want to go car camping, this is great for car camping. You can use a radiator. You can use this for a while. You can probably use this heaters in here. Just the one battery. This battery right here. This 1250 right here. You can run this 8 hours easy. But you need two chargers to charge it back up. I'm gonna cut this off. It's getting hot with this. It's the heater putting out some nice heat. But you see how I cut it off? The voltage go down. These are going up in prices. I did one advertisement and these shot up, and they're going to be hard to get. The 400 watt heaters are really good. I have a 500 watt heater that I'm gonna test, see if it works. It's sitting over in the corner. I'm looking at it. I'll probably demonstrate in the next video. But this is great for like if you had car camping. This would be perfect for a car camping, but it's not safe to. You have to put it 3 feet away from everything. This thing do get hot. Then you can put those electric fans on top, underneath it to circulate the air. Let me cut this off. It's getting hot over here. Let me cut this off. And this is all you're cooking with. 109. Cook, heat your place up. Great for apartments. You know, I'd rather take this and put solar panels on it than take one of those expensive ones. It's a lot easier to charge this up than those ones that got bigger batteries and you need larger panels to charge. And if you live in the hood, you wouldn't want to carry all this stuff out in the hood. This is what you want to probably hide and do. You can hide this better than you can the more expensive ones. Because those take a great deal amount of solar panels to charge them up. You can just set them outside anywhere. I just got this from Amazon the other day. I'm glad this one is working. So I'm going to show you what it is. Alright. God bless. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.